everyone, this is Venus Luxe, Love and Beauty. We are a small-owned business. We usually make candles, but today we're going to switch it up. We're going to be making lip gloss. And I have my helper, Mimi, with me today.
Hi!
So the rest of the video is going to be fast-forwarding. Please enjoy the content. So we are making color-changing lip gloss, one in the shade of lavender, which will be blueberry scented, and the other in the shade of hot pink, which will be strawberry scented. We just sanitized and prepared our station the day before. I sanitized and washed all the tubes, wands, and the stoppers. I will be wearing gloves for this portion because it will get messy. And my little helper Mimi decided not to take part in this because she wanted to go play, but that's okay. And all the stuff that you see in the video, I will list in the description box below, and I will even add links to them. The color changing lip gloss actually changed the color of the paper towel. And the end results are spectacular. I love the way the lip glosses turned out. I love the way they smell. They smell amazing. And they are actually available in my store right now. And I will leave a link below in the description box if you guys are interested. So if you want to support a small business, you can like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to see more of us, you can hit the notification bell. And thank you guys so much for watching.